out there. Hello, step up dancers. Let me turn this down for a wee second. And just say hello to you all. Welcome to Dr.Beat TV, the special exclusive limited edition for you only version for Step Up Dance. I'm trying to do my best out here in these crazy times to try and bring you some kind of dance studio for me to bring my ideas out to you and keep you busy while we're in this crazy time. Hope to be getting you some stuff soon. Literally just transformed this room into a space I can use, and I'm basically now planning and working and thinking some ideas and content to bring you over the next few days and the next few weeks and who knows how long. So hopefully for you all out there, we've got plenty coming up soon. For guys like you, Shay, we're looking for you to be sending in your responses and joining in. People like Lily, Reese, Hugo, Martha, Adriana, Asha Kate, Siddharth, Carter, Maya, Marcel, Alex, Callum, Leon, Jamie, Laurie, Hugo, hopefully I've not missed anyone, Asha Kate. If I said out Shay, let's get you shouted out once more. So we're all watching out for you guys to be working hard at home, guys, just as much as you always say you practice. So we're looking out for that, and hopefully we'll bring you some stuff every single day and a class once a week as per usual. It's just going to take a bit of time to get the ball rolling. Thanks for staying with me, folks. Peace.